Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and this portable lap desk from SAIJI Mall allows me to have a comfortable workspace from wherever I want that to be. For ergonomic reasons, I love varying my positions throughout the day. So sit-stand desk is great, but sometimes I want to sit at my couch or on the floor or in my bed, and this desk really allows me to do all of that throughout the day, many different positions. So my body doesn't get uncomfortable and I don't get bored. It is very compact, so it folds up nicely and I can slide it behind a dresser or just out of the way when I don't need it. But when I do need it, it has plenty of surface space. So I can fit my 17-inch laptop and also my mouse next to it and still have room for a drink or a snack or anything else that I might need to have on my desk. So for me, this is the perfect combination of big enough to work on and compact enough to store away very easily. And it's even a great table tray for breakfast in bed or for when you're feeling a little bit under the weather. So if you're looking for a portable lap desk to have a nice remote workspace, you're going to love this one from SAIJI Mall. And that's my point of view.